Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a mermaid and I hope that you are excited as I to draw it. So let's start. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw her eyes. So we're going to draw one round eye like so. Alright, and we're going to draw another one. So it's also going to be roughly about the same size. Try to keep it the same. Good. And now right between the eyes we're going to draw a little line like that. That would be a nose. And then you're going to draw right there and right there 2 lines. Right, and that's for her eye. And then we're going to draw a circle. And we're going to do exactly the same here, another circle, and then you're going to draw 2 circles in this eye and then this one as well. So it's sort of a light source that you would see. And let's color in the eyes. Let's make it black. Perfect. And then the other one. And we'll make it black as well. That's absolutely great. Now, let's draw eyelashes, because this is a girl after all. Here we go. And this side. Oh, that's great. I think it looks great. And now for the eyebrows. So from here, we're going to go up. And then from this side you're going to go up as well, and then you just complete it like so. There we go. I think she's going to look absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Now for the mouth. So we're going to draw a little mouth like so. I think that would be enough. And then under the mouth, about this length, we're going to draw a little mark like that. That would be a chin. Now before we finish off her head, I want to maybe start drawing her hair. So from this side I'll make a line like that, and I'll make another line like so. And then this side we're gonna actually draw a line going down like so and going around. Okay, great. Because I find it easier to get the shape of her head if I draw her hair. But you can do it any way you like, whatever is comfortable for you. Now, I want to put in some wool here as well. I just want to... So, let's finish up with her face. And then we're gonna line like that. And try to follow the same curve, line like that. But we go up and like so. I think that looks absolutely perfect. And now for our little mermaid's neck. We draw down, draw another line. So that would be the neck. And we're gonna continue on to the shoulder. And then we're gonna continue on to the other shoulder. And we're just gonna make it like so. Next, we're gonna draw a little line, and now we sort of have to measure where we think her bra would be. So maybe around about there. So you can make a circle there, and you can make sort of a little line there, and about the same distance and size, another line there. Now we're going to connect it. So carefully we're going to go around, and from this side we're going to go around, and we're going to return back like this, and we're going to that side as well. And then you can maybe draw 2 lines as well. Good. I think that's perfect. What do you think? A line up, another line like so, and a line like so, just to show where her arms is going to connect to her body. Then after that we're going to draw a line down for her body, and we're going to draw another line down like so. So now what I want you to do is just to follow me. So we're going to draw a curve down to add an angle. So we're going to actually bring it up to here, and from here you're going to draw a line back like so, because I want her tail to show a bit towards the side, or to go to the side. Now we can draw a line like that, and we draw another line like that. So from here we're going to go like so, and we're going to return like that. Okay, so now it's at an angle. So we can actually draw a little belly button right there, so you can see how it also goes to the side. Now this is a bit tricky, so we're gonna draw a line like that, and then I want you to draw a line like this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bring the tail down at an angle like so, and then we're going to return it like so, and from here we're going to actually draw a line like so, and it's going to go back like that. So now you see she's sitting. So actually we have to draw a rock. Let's draw a rock here that she sits on, and then from there you go down. So what you do, you just measure about where you think the line would start, and you just follow through at an angle, and then you continue from there. Okay, that's absolutely great. And now what we can do is we're going to draw her tail. So we have a choice. We can draw a tail sort of in a petal shape, or maybe the shape of a dolphin tail. I think a dolphin tail will be beautiful. I love dolphins. What do you love them? So let's see. We're going to go down like so, and this one we went a bit far with that other line, unfortunately, but let's continue like that. And then from here we're going to go back like that, and then from there we're going to do the same thing. We're going to return like so. So there's sort of a dolphin tail, and then we can just sort of finish it off. You can bring it back, and you can bring it back. So there we have a little bit of a bigger tail, and then from here we can actually just make two lines there to give it some shape. And now what I want us to do is draw her arms. So we can first start with this arm, and it will go like so, and it will go out, and then just a little swerve it out a little bit, just to give a shape where the upper arm and the lower arm would be, where they. Okay, and then from here we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to draw, and we're going to draw it a little bit out, and we're going to draw again. Good, and then we can just draw it out like that, and then like so, not too much, and then we draw it like so. So that would be. We're not going to draw her hands, because her hands is going to be behind the rock. And then from here, let's start with the head. So from here we're going to draw it all the way around. You're going to follow it, and you're going to return like so. Then from this side, first thing we're going to do like this, something like so. And then from here you can bring your hair down like so. Perfect. And then from here you're going to bring it down, out, circle, behind the back, and it will sort of connect, something like that. And I think it looks absolutely great. What do you think? And then you're going to draw a line like so, and we're going to draw a line like so, just to sort of try to give it some shapes here. And then from here we're going to draw a line back like so. Yeah, and I think that looks absolutely great. What do you think? Good. And then from here we still have a little space, so we can maybe draw an ear, and we can go like so. And then from here we can maybe draw just a tuft of hair that goes there. And that would be perfect. So I think our little mermaid is done. What do you think? So now you can take your favorite colors and color it in the way you think your mermaid will look absolutely perfect. Thank you for drawing with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.